Most can be used for multiple things. Same with conduit, same with channels. Not really. Just most can be used for multiple. What are they? Oh no, the first 18 questions, sorry, not just on SWIM, it's just on modelling. This one here, I'm not going to give you anything else, you can read it. 1D, 2D models, we had a class about it. Just, yeah, study 1 and 2D models.
1 and 2D?
1D and 2D models.
All right.
Yep. It's in week 2, week 1, week 3.
Yeah.
Yep. Then we got section on wastewater with 12 marks. Study wastewater.
Oh, that's the calculation.
No, this is no calculation yet. I'll get to that. Wastewater has different things. And you have base demand, you have wet weather demand, you have peaking factors, you have different things in wastewater. You have infiltration, inflow, you have different things. What are they? What do they do? What do they mean? How do you reduce them? Study wastewater. Imagine if none of this was in your demo.
What is it?
What's that?
What is it?
Yeah, probably too. Flow, and flow pipes, stormwater and wastewater, certain criteria. How full should they be? Stormwater, we're not worried about fullness, we're worried about velocity, and we're looking for that and tide correction. Wastewater, we're not. Wastewater has to fill a certain amount of pipe, maximum fill. What are they? Why are they there?
So, for wastewater features, the theoretical questions, but not the modeling related questions. Almost like code of practice stuff.
No, it's not, to be fair, it's not actually that much. Just a couple of questions, but it's everyone's got to see. You've got different types of flows, different things. If you know the calculation, you'll remember what the flows are. And the coolness?
It's all theory.
What's that?
It's all theory.
I've just gone through the first section, I'm just working my way through from top to bottom. Going through everything. At least not giving you answers, at least it'll be written different ways, so when I get reviewed, it's not too bad. Pumping stations? Why would you have a pumping station? Yeah, we've gone over it a few times. This is just to remember where primary, we're set through this. Networks, 10%, 1%. What are they? They're the network level of service. What is the level of service for this? What is the level of service for that? 10%, 1%. And what components in stormwater make up it? What are they? Components that make up those systems. And what are they trying to achieve? Yeah, what are they trying to achieve? 10% to drain 10% rainfall event with no surcharge, with no flooding. 1% to drain the 1% rainfall event with no damage to property, no serious flooding, no serious like that. Yeah. This is your general stormwater, maybe not an exam. What is the main parameter in addition to pipe diameter influence the capacity of a stormwater network? Or stormwater network? Other than pipe size, what influences capacity?
Roughness?
Yeah, our slope will do it. Roughness will do it, but slope.
This is to reduce the loss, right?
Yeah, well, it adds capacity if you go and get a slope, then that pipe will fill up more.
Yes.
Overland flow paths, study them. What are they? What do they do? What are they made from? What are they made up from? got section D.
Is that over, sorry, is that over, go back, we need to give you an example, or just like,
Study them, what are they?
oh,
These are just study notes, you can't just base your studying off this. Listen to what I said, go through, find notes, find resources, find things, and just learn everything you need to know about them.
yeah.
How many marks was the section 3, the one we just went through? So we had 18, 12,
14 marks. And then we get on to section D, which I think is the last section. Word. So you'll get 45 pages. Imagine just reading it. Okay, section D, exercises and identification, 56 marks. So some of these you're going to be calculating, some of them you're just going to be circling, some of them you might be, okay, here's 4 pictures, it's A, it's D, it's C, it's identification. Some of them are easy. So just remember what I said. 4 was a catchment. Primary network is based on properties and lots, secondary is contours. So I can ask for a catchment area for the same point. And what I'm asking for depends on what the catchment looks like. Okay, if I'm asking for the pipe network, it looks different than the, let's go through it, not to the exam. But again, it won't be complicated. It won't be complicated. So if I'm asking for the catchment at this point here, water flows down, so you might say, I'm saying, if I'm asking for the catchment at that point here, so you might base it on all these houses from here, and that house there, this house here, coming around, coming around, coming up, coming down. You might say all of that. That's one pipe will include the corroding. You might come across here. You've probably got lateral connections. You might come here, here, down, around, down, and say that both those sides of the road to that point down here, drain to this manhole here. Now fast for the secondary one, so that's 38, that's 30, so your one looks like here, it comes off perpendicular, comes off perpendicular, you're going to have a high spot there it looks like, can't breathe onto it. Come up here to your high spot. outlet, another high spot. Looks like it stops growing down there, so it might come up here around. You stop on the point again, start grading down back down. But your catchment area will be completely different, secondary environment.
This is the secondary one.
Yeah. Okay, to make it easier, because I'm just looking at it. If somebody forgot to put houses on the exam, then if I got a big network like this, now let's say we ran our network, this is a very funny one, and we've got another network over here. These are really bad manholes. So just say it like that. So let's say there's 3 small networks, and I ask you to plot this one here, and your catchment's going to be this. Just halfway between the next one. Sometimes you forget to upload the service areas. So just go halfway between the files.
Closing from the time.
Yeah, good problem.
This is missing from the card question thing.
Yeah. This one's a bit, so then you got questions, some of them easy. We talked the other day, I drew they start label these. Like a retention, it might be a rain garden, it could be one of those devices, you just have to label the parts. So you've got detention, you've got retention, you've got roll fixes, you've got reuse, you've got storage.
Oh, we need just to write the names.
Yeah, some of it might just be a labeling.
Oh,
Might
label.
just label. Maybe.
Yeah.
Might not even be there.
Nothing changes after this.
What's that?
Nothing changes in the paper after this.
No, it's already been reviewed. It's on. I set up late Friday for a few minutes. So we tell you what I did. You guys might give a bit of a dip for it, I'll tell you anyway. So as I was going, I was counting how many marks, trying to work out to got 100, and I miscounted. And it takes a long time to write a question and do it all, and I got to like 106 marks. So instead of removing the last question, I just reduced marks for some of the other questions.
It's happened.
I don't think it's too bad. Because it takes you a while, right? You see it.
Suppose you like that question and you don't want to remove it.
No, but when I was writing the other question, I was like, probably a bit too many marks for this one. Average width, we did average width. I've shown you this once before. So we've done all our slipper lines. If we had contours like this. And I want the average width. Say it's like that. With contour like faces that way. Then that will be your pretty much your average. So what's that? And then just follow the rest of your average width calculation. Which is minor. You know, we work out main length. It would be just those two basic ones. When I contour that going the same way, it's just that and then work out the average. But finish the rest of your average width. What is just that plus that divided by 2, and that plus that divided by how do we do it?
Do we reckon we would need a ruler and stuff to measure or?
Just remember how to do your average width calculation. What is it? That plus that minus that, so that, whatever it is. I just told you that I done an expression, so I minus some large from another one. I just realised, I thought I checked, but I've done the question twice, so now I'll do it too much. Might be a couple of pictures, might just be a long section, what's wrong with this, what are the problems, yeah, who knows what the problems are, but you should be able to know you've got things in code practice, pipe sizes getting bigger, pipe sizes that. So just look at this thing, tell me what's wrong with it. Probably need a pipe long section. We'll have a couple of wastewater calculations, pretty much like one in the code practice, one in the notes. Give you some information, you work out the flows. Three flows in wastewater, what are they? Flows.
So what's the question?
What's the three main flows in wastewater? Calculating it. Got base flow, you've got your deep dry weather flow, deep wet weather flow. What are they? We're going to calculate them. It won't be as simple as in just head sense houses. Okay, what it is, it might be. But just remembering those calculations and how to use those tables. Yeah. And then maybe another catchment one, one catchment, what I always don't want to get rid of will be basically like what's in the notes and the PowerPoint. Here's the location, draw the catchment and you're basing it just on contours. So just go catchment to match above stormwater. Because everything you do is based on the catchment you draw. You can't draw the catchment, nothing can be accurate after that. So go over that. I'm really disappointed that I'm not finished.
So is it,
Why is that? Because water supply is not drainage. And it's not drainage. So just wastewater and stormwater.
so wastewater gonna be like calculation plus writing, right?
Yeah, there will just pretty much like on over, there'll be calculations on pretty much code practice, how you calculate wastewater.
We took, yeah, the residential and commercial.
Yeah, yeah. So you might be residential, might be commercial, maybe both of them.
Yeah,
We'll go
but
over all of those.
this is, yeah, straightforward actually.
They're pretty straightforward.
Yeah.
But you just have to remember.
Number one.
And to be fair, that's pretty much the whole game. Minus one question, new stuff. It shouldn't be too hard.
For wastewater, you said like a base flow and about two, what?
Read the code practice.
Sorry?
Just read the code practice. It'll say your word points in there. It'll say.
No, this is three. What's called this three, like, for wastewater? Is it like principle or what?
So just in your calculations.
Oh, for to do the
Yeah,
calculation?
do your calculations. Yeah.
Oh, right, okay.
So you get one answer, then you get another answer, then you get another answer, right?
Yeah.
You could skip one, but you got three answers. Can't believe I repeated the question twice. I'm sure I cheated. I will check just to make sure. thought I finished.
Yeah. I thought that stop the section 4D to get Please, it's swim, how to verify pipe slope and network and swim, the network straight, what's the level of service operation, what are the loads, what is it, or what do you want to do, what is swim related? Swim on the soil swim related. Could be anything to with swim, but he gave a few examples, what is it? But that's like your week 1, week, and